I will guide you through the process of downloading and setting up Pito Aim Assist. For those unfamiliar with the tool, Pito Aim Assist is an object detection aimbot, sometimes referred to as a computer vision aimbot. It is specifically designed for use on consoles, including the PlayStation 5, PlayStation 4, Xbox Series X, and Xbox Series S. However, it can also be used on a PC if preferred. To begin the tutorial, first join our Discord server and navigate to the download channel. Once you have downloaded the tool, right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. If you have not already done so, you will need to purchase a serial key by clicking the Buy Key button. If you already possess a key, simply paste it in and proceed by following along with the video. Upon logging in, the initial step is to click the check button in the Hardware Check section. This registers your PC with the tool, which is required before loading the aimbot. Next, connect your Remote Play application to the tool. Launch your preferred Remote Play app from the provided list and link your console to it if this has not been completed previously. If you are using a capture card, reduce the visual quality of the Remote Play app stream to its lowest setting, as you will only use Remote Play in the background to transmit controller and aimbot inputs to the console. Return to the menu, select the corresponding Remote Play app from the list, and enter your console's IP address. To locate this, access your console's Settings, navigate to System Settings, and view the Console Information section, where the IP address will be listed. If you encounter difficulty finding it, search on YouTube for instructions specific to your console model. After entering the console IP address, click the Check Status button. If all indicators display green, you are prepared to proceed. Before loading the aimbot, allow me to briefly explain the various pages. On the Visuals page, you can enable and edit the ESP overlay settings, as well as enable and adjust the FOV settings. A visualizer is available to preview the appearance of your ESP box overlay. The Aim page allows you to enable the aimbot and assign a desired keybind. You can also activate the prediction option, which significantly improves performance against moving targets. Additionally, adjust the aimbot speed and smoothing strength and select the preferred hitbox for targeting, such as head, neck, chest, or random. The Miscellaneous page includes several mods, such as TriggerBot, which automatically fires when your crosshair aligns with the selected hitbox. You can also enable anti-recoil and fine-tune its values. A visualizer on the right displays the anticipated effect. Finally, enable rapid fire and adjust its speed as needed. On the Settings page, select your preferred input method. You may notice that no models are initially available, but this will be addressed shortly. Adjust the minimum confidence level to optimize detection and minimize false positives. Experiment with this setting during gameplay if necessary. Choose the monitor for the tool to observe and utilize the Save Profile buttons to preserve your configurations, avoiding the need to reconfigure upon each launch. If display issues arise, click the Refresh Display button to resolve most graphical problems. Lastly, check for updates to ensure you are using the latest version of Pito Aim Assist. Now let us discuss acquiring game models. A game model is essentially a database containing millions of labeled images that instruct the object detection system on what to target. On the Buy Models page, you will find all currently available game models. Additional models will be added based on user requests. Once you identify a desired model, click the Buy button, complete the checkout process, and download it. Place the downloaded model in the same folder as the Pito Aim Assist tool. Then, on the Settings page, click the Refresh button to view your models, double-click the selected model, and press the Load Model button. Now let's return to loading the aimbot. Go back to the load page we originally started at. If you're using a capture card, go ahead and make sure it is connected and actively streaming your console to your PC. Then press the check button, then change your resolution to the same resolution as your console settings. In my case, I am using 1440p. Before you press on the Load Stream button, load the aimbot dependencies at the bottom right. This process will download, install, and configure the backend dependencies and can take up to 10 minutes depending on your PC. Once the tool has loaded the aimbot dependencies, you can now press the Load Stream and begin dominating every match using Pito Aim Assist. If you don't have a capture card, just make your Remote Play stream full screen and increase the quality to max. If you found this video helpful, Be sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel to stay in the loop.
Gotta